Hi guys, in this guide I'm going to show you how to set wallpaper for individual chats in WhatsApp. Let's go. So open the WhatsApp application and then go to any chat where you wish to set wallpaper. Tap three dots at the top right and tap chat theme. Here we are. Here you can set wallpaper, select from the pre-installed wallpapers or choose from gallery, or you can set a color, just solid color. Let me choose a wallpaper, let's say this one. You can also change the messages, colors, and adjust brightness. Once you've finished, tap on this check mark at the top right, and let's go back. The theme is applied. If you don't like the theme, you can go to chat theme anytime, tap on three dots and revert your changes, reset the theme. Now let's go back and the theme is reset. That's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye.